Okay, so today I'm trying out 2 products. I just want to document it. So I'm trying out this Wig Grip. So I'm about to tie my hair down so it'll be kind of wavy when I put, no, I'm sorry, headband wig. I'm about to tie my hair down. My hair would need to be moisturized, but I need something to do with my hair because I got a big forehead and I can't wear my hair like this. So I'm just doing it like a little bun to get some extra moisturization. Then I'm gonna put on this dirty ass scarf. And then I'm also trying out the P Louise base while I'm waiting on my hair to dry. I'm sorry, wave up. This is my P Louise bag that I'm super excited about. I got so many goodies. Eyeshadows, like sandwiches. The brow stuff comes in a package like this, a cup, because it's a sandwich set. So this is the hazelnut, I believe. How cute is this? So this is the brow gel, hazelnut latte, and this is the eyebrow pencil. I don't normally use pencils, but may your coffee be as strong as your brow game. Go ahead, go off, P Louise. Okay, so I have to do this quick because I have a fitting downtown. Oh, this is a brow set. Okay. Okay. So I have to open up this pencil. Okay, so right here I'm just doing light brow strokes because my eyebrows are so thick that I'm not trying to like fill them things in and look like snuffleupagus. Who the nigga that live in the trash can? The Grouch. I don't want to be the Grouch. And the other product I'm trying out is her peachy base. I'm gonna use it like just an eyeshadow. But first we're gonna kick it off with these bristles. I'm using a flat tapered brush. You can use any brush that you're comfortable with doing your eyebrows, honey. Okay, period. And I'm using Tarte Shape Tape to conceal today because I ran out of LA Girl. That's the real reason, okay? Because this is too expensive to be using to do my eyebrows when LA Girl for $2.99 worked just as good, period. I'm just gonna blend out that concealer. The reason I got this color is because I felt like it would be great for the makeup, no makeup look. So this is my first time trying it. And we're about to see if this is something you can just throw on and go. I love the color, I think. And I'm taking a fluffy brush and buffing. Oh, it might be a little too, yeah, it's too light. It's not what I thought it was. Okay. Well, it's too light for me. But it might be good for some people who like a salmony color, but I wish it was more like warm. So what I'm gonna do is add the P Louise Base 7 to my eye and mix it up. So that's good. I'm just gonna set it with a bit of translucent powder. This is the coconut setting powder from Tarte. I'm using the Dior foundation with the elixir. Okay, y'all, so y'all want to remember to pat that foundation on. You don't want to rub it in too much. You get all caught up in the brush and all of that. Oh, look at that forehead. Woo! Wee! That thing big. Look, it took all the foundation I had to cover that forehead, okay? And just pat. Now I'm adding the concealer, period. And I'm doing a TikTok video in between all of this, talking about multitask, honey. And just keep patting, honey. Just pat until it's nice and smooth on them edges and everything. Okay, we don't like lines of demarcation. That's why I don't wear drawers now. Now I'm just taking the brush I originally used to put on the eyeshadow and everything and just kind of contour my nose a little bit, just lightly, you know. And okay, I had to clean my contact because makeup got on it and I couldn't see a damn thing. Okay, now I am putting on MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color medium golden, and I'm also wrapping a nice little tune for you. Here I am putting on MAC Mineralized Dark Powder, and I'm patting it on. I like to pat it first, and then I'll start rubbing it and blending. I'm contouring with Tan from MAC Mineralize first. I like to layer my contour, and then I go in with the blush before I do my darker contour, and just kind of get it on those cheeks a little bit, kind of blend it in with the brown. I got real funky and got carried away, kind of went over my eyes a little bit. Just want everything to just kind of blend and look pretty. This is optional. You know, I just be going with the flow, honey. Now I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in dark. It's the darkest one they have. And I'm using a very light hand and circular motions right at the back end of my contour. I'm not going all the way down to my mouth, and I'm also doing my double chin. You see me do my double chin? It went by already. And I'm just kind of touching up my nose a little bit with some dark powder, MAC Mineralize. Yeah. Right here, I'm shooting me a TikTok video. Again, multitasking, period. Girl, I had to clean my eyeball again, but this time I use makeup remover. I have on contacts, and the makeup gets stuck to the contacts, so you have to make sure you clean them so you can see. So, right here I'm going in with BH Cosmetics highlight. It's kind of like a pink highlight, but it's in fairy lights. So I went over it with the Artist Couture Illuminati because I needed a little more of a pop. Okay, when you're reusing your Jillionaire lashes, make sure you get your excess glue off, and this is me being ghetto. Okay, so of course we're going in with Jillionaire Girls Club Wealthy AF Lash Glue in the color clear because I do not like to wear eyeliner a lot when I'm doing a natural look. So clear is perfect, and we're just going to pop those on. We're going to let it get a little tacky first, let it get almost clear, and then you're just going to pop them on and position them where you want. Okay, so right here we're going in with Cat Blondie's Crucifix lip liner. It's my favorite lip liner. It goes on really smooth and it's waterproof, so you can go do stuff with it on. Okay, and just to spice things up a bit, I'm going to put that same base that I put on my eyes on my lips. And it goes on like a lipstick, and it's really nice and smooth. And you just want to make sure you blend out those edges. Then we're going to go back in with that lip liner, and I just like to reinforce the line a little bit, make it a little more dramatic, blend it in on the sides. Girlie, you know what it's time for? The undies. So the clear glue is best for undies because if you have a little mess up, you can still put them, you know, you can fix it and you won't really be able to tell. With the black glue, if you only have the black glue, you can put it directly on the lash, let it dry, and then place it on your eye. It's okay if you mess up, honey. But we don't want those under eyes to be naked, honey, so you got to put on some undies. Get it? Undies? Under your lashes, bottom lashes, get it? You get it or no? You get it or no? Girl, multitasking alert. I'm going through my TikTok right here. I'll put my TikTok at the end if y'all want to see it. Bloop. I got this wig. I've been wanting to try these headband wigs. So this is it straight out the bag. And I'm just gonna brush it out, brush those curls out. brush them out too. This seemed like a Jerry curly type, but that's why I had my hair tied down. So, and my hair is wet. So normally my hair would be dry and I would like do some baby hairs, but this is why I want this wig, so that I could just wash my hair, slick it down, and get out of the house. Let's see. It has combs in it. Girl, I was struggling for a little minute to get this wig right, but then I figured out a soluciones, okay? I had to put a wig grip on there to make it not slide back. And it doesn't feel like super secure. Came into the game, no one replace me. Me like my NSC straight with no chaser. All of my guys know me all about me paper. Me got me girls all around me, me no chaser. Yeah, star boy coming number one. With me to chop because they bounce a lot. Me know like nothing come between me and me paper. So when me coming out, they place me and they taker. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, okay, I'm gonna go put up a wig band and see if that works. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer. Lips on your waist, front way, back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never went away, even when I'm away. OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make shy. So right here, that thing slid right off. Okay, right off. As soon as I put my shirt on. So I'm putting on a velvet wig grip, not the silicone or plastic. This is a velvet wig grip. It was like $3 at the hair store, and you just pop that thing on around that big old head. Look at them edges looking good. They look good. And then I put it back on, and it didn't slide off, and it stayed on all day long. Pop. That's me looking fabulous. My final thought on the wig is that I love it. It's great for natural hair. I can throw my hair in a bun and I don't have to braid it up, and I can walk out the door looking $1,000,000 or at least $40. I don't know. I don't know how I'm feeling right now. Please make sure you follow me, subscribe, thumbs up, and all that hot shit.